Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. Allison Brown requested this video, so here it is for you, Allison. I hope you enjoy it and I hope it's helpful. She wanted to know about the details of the key fob for the 2027 Buick Enclave. This is the Avenir trim level, but as far as the key fob goes, the trim level doesn't really matter. But what I'm going to do is go over everything and show you exactly what you can expect to find if this is something you're interested in buying. So very, very simple, very easy to deal with. We have lock, unlock, remote start. You can open and close your powered tailgate. You also have the panic button down here at the very bottom, or what I like to refer to as the help me find my Enclave in the parking lot button. But there's one more thing I want to tell you about. In the event that the battery in your Enclave happens to die, or the battery in the key fob happens to die, here is what you're going to do. You're actually going to push this button right here, and that lets you get the mechanical key out. Now, what you're going to do after you do that is actually come right here. Let me get one hand free here so I can do this. You're going to take this cap off, and then what you're going to do is take the key, this mechanical key, and you're going to actually insert it in right here into this area, and that allows you to actually lock and unlock the vehicle manually. So that makes things a little bit easier to deal with in a situation like that. And something else that's pretty cool, if you have the key fob in your possession, you can walk up here to the side. You hear all those beeps, and you can see the lights flashing, and all of a sudden the power lift gate opens. That's called the Auto Sense tailgate. Actually a pretty cool feature that allows you to just stand here and let the tailgate open up automatically without having to push a button or kick your foot under the bumper or wave your foot under the bumper, anything like that. One of those simple little tricks. I hope that helps out as far as this video goes. Thanks for asking that question, Allison. I always appreciate when people request videos, and I always try to pull those off for you if I can. So if you want to know something more about the Enclave or anything else out there, leave a comment down in the comment section and I'll make that happen for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. That's very much appreciated. Make sure to subscribe and share this video on your timelines on social media. And if you would like to learn about additional vehicles you may wish to consider purchasing, check out one of the vehicles that's on the screen right now, and I'll see you there.